It's always a pleasure when my mate Adam Swanson comes to the kitchen. We're going to be cooking one of your beautiful pasta dishes. What have you got in store today?
Well, this one was one of that I stole from my wife, to be honest.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's a pulse pasta with a avocado, pesto and prawns.
Nice.
Okay, so in we go. Now,
salt, always.
always.
Yep.
Pulse pasta made from obviously your peas, lentils, chickpeas and borlotti.
Yep.
Great source of fibre and available at all the major supermarkets. And the cook time's about 6 to 8 minutes with our pulse pasta.
Enough time to make a quick pesto.
Yeah, so pesto being basil, pine nuts, and today we're going to add avocado and a little bit of chilli. So avocado, just get you picking the basil, please, straight into the food processor.
Nice one. A whole bunch?
The whole bunch, you know, and you don't need to be too particular, okay? The bottom end of the stalk, yes, but the top end's okay.
So adding the avocado will introduce a slight creaminess, but does it mean we're adding less oil to the pesto?
Exactly right. Again, you know what? I think you might have done this before, Just.
No, I haven't actually, but just thinking about it, I think it's a really great idea if you want to lower the intake of oil.
Yeah, it's a great pesto, Justine, and you can also put it into an airtight container, put a little bit of vegetable oil on top and keep it in the fridge, ready to go every day of the week.
Beautiful.
Okay, just basil's in, add in the pine nuts, the chilli, just chop it up a little bit, seeds and all.
Okay.
2 garlic cloves goes in. I like a little bit of zest of the lemon and also a touch of the juice, okay?
Nice. All right, I'll get onto that.
Into the pan, I'm just going to add some olive oil. We're going to cook off these beautiful SA prawns, okay? Now, I'm a little bit provocative here. I love South Australian seafood and products in particular, but, you know, if you can't get your hands on it, just look for some fresh prawns.
Yep, absolutely. And you've taken the intestinal tract out, the head off. You just want the flesh for this.
Yes, chef. Well done. Yes, perfect. Now, you can leave the tails on. Some people like to eat the tails, you know. I don't mind a little bit of crunch, but you know what? With this dish, I want to make it nice and clean, simple to eat. So, yeah, just pure meat.
Okay. How much lemon did you want in this?
Just a half of the lemon would be great.
Lovely.
Lovely. Don't forget to add a little bit of salt too.
Always.
Okay. Needs a little bit of seasoning. Time to add the avocado, Just. There you go. Okay. Oh, you want me? I'll do it for you.
Yeah.
There you go.
Well, I've got to do all the hard work, you know, blending. No, only joking.
All right, here we go. Now, you do add a little splash of olive oil, just to help it obviously blend together.
Just a little bit. Okay, so I'll blitz this so it's a nice fine paste.
Perfect.
All right, Swanee. Oh, wow. That looks so creamy. Perfect.
Looking good, Just.
Happy with that texture?
Fantastic. Super smooth. Seeing the basil, pine nuts, everything's come together.
Nice one.
Our pasta is ready. So strain off the water, like so. Straight into the pan. I'll get you to scoop in our pesto as well, please, Just.
Okay. Cooked avocado, not the usual suspect, but why not?
No, it's great. The residual heat, I'll turn off the pan now because our prawns are cooked, our pasta's cooked. It's going to obviously coat the pasta.
Do you want a little bit more of that pesto?
Yeah, that'd be great.
There you go.
So our beautiful pulse pasta, which is nice and earthy and a little bit nutty, with that lovely creaminess from the avocado and our basil and those sweet, succulent SA prawns.
You know what? It looks like it's a super rich, decadent dish, but it's not.
No,
it's very good for you.
Clean, healthy eating.
Yes, just like it's your new thing at the moment, isn't it?
Look at that. The smell is amazing.
Yeah.
I hope you're hungry.
I am indeed. And I love the idea of using avocado as the cream component to this. It looks so decadent, but I know after making it with you with that avocado, it's going to be really light and fresh. I'm going to try this really interesting pasta. Wow.
Enjoy it? Nice?
So good.
That little hint of chilli there as well?
Yep, it's the chilli too. It just brings everything together. I love this dish. I think this is a fantastic midweek dinner, especially if you want to be a little healthier.